Hello, I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's do some happy weaving. I've gone ahead and placed the buttons where I'd like them to be from my button collection, and now it's time to sew them on. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a pin and just place it exactly where I want each button to be to remind me as I sew, because it will be hard to remember how to make a circle once I get going. So lift it up a little here. I'll remember that heart goes in the middle. So I'll just take it off and push all my pins down. Now you might think, ooh, all those needles sticking down. Well, I'll just have to be careful. I'm going to take my sewing thread. I've got my sewing thread all ready to go, threaded through my needle, and now I'll just start sewing the buttons on. I'm going through each button 2 times just because I want more of the thread to show. And this time I think to keep the circular effect, I'm going to try to keep the holes of the beads aligned as though they were going around in a circle. It's always good to check the back side once in a while, make sure all your threads are going like they should, and it's all going okay. Well, how nice. I actually got them in a circle and I had just the right amount of thread. It's a great day. I am going to sew it down in the back a few times, and then the final one is tying it through a little knot. I know that's a little hard to see with black thread on black fabric. Now the next step is I'm going to sew my little heart in the middle. Maybe a little. There we go. I think I like him just like that. I'm going to take the 3/2 cotton yarn, thread it through the tapestry needle, and then I'm going to let it just drop down through the straw. That's the fun part if you ask me. And then I'm just going to pull it through, trim it off. Tie the top. And we did it! I hope you had fun on this project. I sure did. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!